How to enable merge self on YouTube. To enable merge self on YouTube, first of all, you must verify your shopping eligibility. Once you verify this, you simply have to create and set up your storefront using Shopify, Forcewall, Spring, or Spreadshop. Once you set your storefront, you simply have to now connect your store to the YouTube Studio. So go ahead and open any web browser of your choice on your desktop, then head to the YouTube Studio website, then click on the Earn tab. Once you click on it, you simply have to now go ahead and then click on the Shopping tab and tap on the blue Connect Store button. Once you tap on this, select your specific merge provider, then click Continue. Now you simply have to follow the secure on-screen prompt to log into your merchant store account and authorize the link to Google or YouTube. Once you do this, you simply have to arrange and display your products. And there you go. This is how you can enable merge self on YouTube.